Welcome you all to Ella Railway Station, a picturesque stop on Sri Lanka's scenic railway line. Situated in the heart of hill country, Ella Station is a must-visit destination for nature lovers and train enthusiasts alike. Ella aptly translates to waterfall, reflecting the numerous cascades in the region. Notable waterfalls including Ravana Falls, Badulla Falls and Dunhinda Falls contribute to Ella's scenic charm. Ella railway station is situated in the charming town of Ella, known for its breathtaking views, lush green tea plantations, and cascading waterfalls. The station itself is a quaint and charming stop with a rich history dating back to the colonial era. As the train chugs along the winding railway line, passengers are treated to stunning views of the surrounding hills, valleys, and tea plantations. The journey to Ella is an experience in itself, with the train passing through tunnels, over bridges, and alongside scenic landscapes. For adventure seekers, Ella serves as a haven with hiking destinations like Ella Rock and Little Adams Peak. The town boasts serene beauty and remarkable architecture, exemplified by the Damodar railway loop and the renowned Nine Arches Bridge. Ella is a haven for nature lovers, with attractions like the Ella Rock, Ravana Falls, and the picturesque Ella Gap. Visitors can hike, trek, or simply take in the breathtaking views from the many viewpoints in the area. The station is bustling with activity from vendors selling local treats to passengers rushing to catch their trains. Take a moment to soak the atmosphere and experience the warm hospitality of the locals. Ella railway station is more than just a stop on the railway line. It's a gateway to the natural beauty and charm of Sri Lanka's hill country. Whether you are a train enthusiast, nature lover, or simply looking for a relaxing getaway, Ella station is a must-visit destination. Plan your next journey to Ella Town and have this experience. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.